If you are looking for a bike seat cushion for your Nordictrack bike, you have come to the right place. In this article, we will provide you with a list of the 10 best bike seat cushions for Nordictrack bikes. We have also included a buyer's guide to help you choose the right bike seat cushion for your needs. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the ILG Oversized Comfort Bike Seat Comfortable Replacement. The ILG Piloton seat is a wide, comfortable seat that is easy to install and comes with an adapter to fit any bike. The ergonomic design of the seat offers great support and riding comfort without compromising leg movement. The seat has a dual rubber ball suspension at the bottom to even out the riding jerks and makes your ride more stable. This waterproof seat is padded with 7 cm thick high-density memory foam and fused gel for maximum comfort. The leather surface is scratch-proof and non-slip for long-lasting use. At number 2 on our list, we have the Tonbux Most Comfortable Bicycle Seat. The Tonbux bike seat is more of traditional shape with a long, soft nose which won't obstruct your movement while keeping you comfortable. The seat has soft cushioning all over the upper part with the thickened part at the rear end where your hips rest on the saddle. Among all the other features of this seat, the middle airflow vent makes it one of the best replacement saddles for your Piloton bike. It keeps your bum comfortable for longer duration by allowing the heat to dissipate through. The anti-scratch microfiber leather surface ensures the longevity of the seat. The double ball shock absorbing system under the seat keeps your ride stable and help you deal with rough terrain comfortably if you are using this seat on an outdoor bike. At number 3 on our list, we have the Zmifer Oversized Bike Seat. This oversized soft saddle can provide relief to your prostate and tailbone while riding your Piloton bike. The seat is extra padded with high-density memory foam and has a dual spring suspension at the bottom to make your ride comfortable. The universal fit Zmifer bike seat comes with installation tools. This seat fulfills all the requirements for being a good replacement seat for your Piloton bike. The ergonomically designed convex buttock support of the seat is padded with 8 cm thick high-density punching foam and accommodates a central groove for better heat dissipation. At number 4 on our list, we have the Bikeru Oversized Bike Seat. You can keep the vibrations at bay and save yourself from resultant pain by replacing your stock seat with Bikeru Oversized Bike Seat. With wide size, think padding and extra shock-absorbent elastomer suspension, the Bikeru seat offers maximum comfort while riding your Piloton bike. This ergonomically designed, unisex bike seat can be a perfect replacement saddle to improve your biking experience. At number 5 on our list, we have Giddy Up Bike Seat. With the wing-shaped design, the Giddy Up bike seat provides the perfect platform to rest your buttocks comfortably. Filled with high-density memory foam to take the shape of your hips over use, and covered with PU leather material, the Giddy Up is the closest you can get to a customized bike seat. The seat also features shock-absorbing springs for a comfortable and smooth ride. At number 6 on our list, we have Bikeru Bike Seat Cushion 11 inches x 7 inches padded gel bike seat cover. With thick and strong adjustable strings, lateral support straps and anti-slip inner texture, the Bikeru seat cushion cover for Piloton will stick firmly on the top of your bike seat. The seat cushion has thick gels pads with perfectly balanced softness to aid you pedal without soreness for hours. These lightweight padded seat covers will improve riding comfort and also enhance the looks of your bike. At number 7 on our list, we have Zacro Bike Seat Cushion. These are thick gel padded seat covers that can make your long-duration rides much more comfortable and enjoyable. The mid-groove on the cushion keeps your crotch area ventilated. This easy-to-install seat cushion cover for Piloton measures 11 x 7 inches and fits perfectly in narrow spin bike saddles. Make your Piloton ride more comfortable by installing Zacro gel bike seat cover on its stock saddle. At number 8 on our list, we have Domain Cycling Bike Seat Cushion. The durable and comfortable Domain gel seat cushion is padded with soft silicone gel and covered with stretchy lycra fabric. This simple-looking premium quality seat cushion has anti-slip interior material. It can fit on most of the narrow saddle adult bikes. Say goodbye to saddle sores with this seat cushion filled with silicone gel. At number 9 on our list, we have Sevapro Bike Saddle Cover. This is a good seat cover with one of the most advanced design. The Sevapro saddle cover for spin bike is padded with multi-layer memory foam and gel pads. The stretchy lycra fabric and elastic on the sides makes it very easy to install on the saddle. With two Velcro straps to fix, you can install these on the top of your Piloton bike saddle within seconds. The mid-groove and breathable mesh fabric together keep your private parts airy and comfortable. These padded seat covers are built with 7-layer fabric for durability. To protect it from dampening, it is covered with waterproof coating. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have Piloton bike seat cover premium quality. Specially designed for Piloton bike seats, the Fitivate saddle pad won't let the pain and saddle sores get in your way. This cool-looking gel seat cushion can make your brutally hard narrow saddles comfortable even for the long-duration rides. This shock-absorbing non-slip seat cover will fit on your bike seat perfectly. After installing this seat cushion cover, having two soft gel pads in the rear end and breathable mid-groove for ventilation, you can keep riding for hours without discomfort. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.